I once witnessed an incredible friendship between a tiny bird and a massive elephant. The bird would perch on the elephant's back, singing sweet melodies as they wandered through the savannah. The elephant, with its gentle nature, would sway to the rhythm, creating a beautiful harmony between their worlds. One day, the bird spotted a thorn stuck in the elephant's foot. With a brave flutter, it flew down and pecked at the thorn until it was free. The elephant trumpeted in joy, and from that day on, they became inseparable. This unlikely duo taught me that friendship knows no size and that even the smallest among us can make a big difference.